Hey, fellow green thumbs. Today I'm diving into something that might not be as exciting as planting your first seedling or harvesting your summer veggies, but is just as important: garden tool maintenance. Why? Because taking care of your tools can save you money, time, and a whole lot of frustration. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk cleaning. After each use, give your tools a good wipe down. This isn't just about keeping them looking good, it's about functionality. Dirt and sap can cause corrosion and blunt your tools over time. For those stubborn stains or sap, use a wire brush or a putty knife to scrape it off. Then give them a rinse and dry them thoroughly to prevent rust. Now on to sharpening, something you might not do often but definitely should. Sharp tools make gardening easier and faster. For pruners, shears, and loppers, a simple whetstone or a hand file will do the trick. Remember, always follow the original angle of the edge when sharpening. A few strokes here and there and you're good to go. And we can't forget about storage. The way you store your tools can greatly extend their lifespan. Never leave them outside. Moisture and weather can be brutal. Instead, keep them in a dry, clean place. Hanging them up is a great way to reduce clutter and keep them out of harm's way. Lastly, once a year, give your tools a deeper maintenance check. Tighten any loose screws, replace worn out parts, and treat wooden handles with oil to keep them from splitting. This annual tune-up can make your tools last almost forever. There you have it. A little effort goes a long way in keeping your garden tools in top shape. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening.